do you know my name?
It's on your badge. Now listen carefully. You may be wondering why I brought you to this place. In front of you, you will see 3 bags. These bags are essential to your survival. Listen carefully. You'll be familiar with this equipment. The task is simple, John. I want your knowledge that I can grant you your freedom. Assemble the equipment.
Okay, so I have to extend the legs of the tripod and ensure it's at eye level, spirit level, ensure it's in the middle, and it's all good to go. Okay, battery, where does that go? Ah, the bottom right. Okay, now I have to connect the camera to the tripod. Right, time to turn the camera on. I want to have full control of the settings. Manual is best for that. No mistakes. I want to have the highest resolution. Must make sure it's set at 1920 by 1080 at 25 frames per second.
Time is ticking, John.
For colour temperature, I have to press the button on the top right labelled WB. For inside, a colour temperature of 5600, and if I was outside, 3200. ISO, the amount of light the camera is preset to expose. A standard of 800 will do. Aperture, the amount of light let into the camera. A 5.6 stop should do. The shutter speed, how much light is exposed. The slower the shutter speed, the longer the image will be captured. To start filming, I'd press the record button. I have to make sure my mixer is powered. Now I'll have to change the switch on the bottom right to internal to ensure that it runs off the batteries inside. Make sure that both channels are turned to 0. Place the wind protector over the mic. Attach the mic to the shotgun. Now I have to attach the short XLR cable to the bottom of the mic. The short XLR cable to the long XLR cable. Must make sure the mixer mic powering switch is set to 48 volts and plug it all into channel 1 on the mixer. Next I'll screw the boom pole into the shotgun mic. Just have to adjust the channel 1 knob and try and get the lights into the orange but not the red.
Not much time left, John.
Must remember to insert the SD card into the top of the recorder. Now I'll just hold the power button on the left hand side of the Tascam. Now I'll go to the settings and navigate the menus. I need to find the quick format option and make sure the SD card is clear. Now I have to change the switch on the bottom of the Tascam and switch it to line 1. I have to connect the 3 cables from the mixer to the recorder. I also have to ensure that the 2 XLR cables match right to right and left to left, and both channels are set to line. For the 3rd cable, the headphone slot on the left hand side of the recorder. I then insert headphones into the front of the mixer. On the back of the recorder I need to slide the +48 switch. Now I'll turn on the tone from the mixer. Now I'll balance both of the dials inside the recorder to 0. Turn the dials until they reach -18.
Oh, you're so close.
What did I forget?
The SD card. Game over.